What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today I'm doing a quick 10 to 15 minute makeup routine. I know I recently did a 20-minute makeup routine that's a little bit more full coverage, a little bit more products. This is just 12 products for my face, lips, eyes, the whole thing. Just 12 products, my go-to for the summer. We had a casualty in this video, and this is all I could, this is the only survivor, this one chunk right here. I'm actually going to go after class to try and find this. Pray that I do, because I really like that powder. I'm so sad. But yeah, this will be another go-to makeup routine for me in the summer. If I just want something a little bit lighter, like I said in my last video, I'll link it up here, my 20-minute makeup routine that I would show you my even lighter makeup. No foundation, tiny bit of concealer, tiny bit of powder, but still a lot of glow. I'm still bronzed, I'm still blushed, my eyebrows are still done. So yeah, if you're interested in how I got this look and the products I used, then you know the deal, you know the drill, and you know the vibes. Let's get it. Okay, so I have already put on SPF. This is the Too Faced Hydrating Lightweight Hangover RX Good to Go Skin Protecting SPF Moisturizer. Yeah, with coconut water, prebiotic and probiotic based ingredients, SPF 25. I'm almost out of this. I've had this for about a year and I already have a backup because my hip, oh my god, because I got it on sale, so I have my backup ready. I always wear this anytime I go outside. And oh, and my face was washed before I put that on, and I also have this Kiehl's creamy eye treatment with avocado for eye moisturizer. Okay, and then I'm going to use a mix of products for the base. First, I'm going in with this First Aid Beauty Triple Protection Skin Tint in the shade Medium. I got this from TJ Maxx, so it's kind of faulty. I just squeeze some on. So I use that, and I'm going in. I have so many travel sizes of these. I have the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. Oh. She's gonna be dewy. I'm going to take my foundation brush and just do like this. Do like this. I'm going to blend it all in. Just get rid of any streaking. I'm just patting over with my sponge. Okay, so then that just kind of evens out the skin tone, makes it nice and dewy. Then I'm going to conceal some spots. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer in Natural Beige. Hello. What does it put under my eye? So a little bit here to brighten, a little bit here to brighten. I have a spot right here. I have a spot right here. I have redness right there. Spot right there. Redness right there. And with this, I'm going to let it sit there for a little while as do my eyebrows. I'm going in with the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Latte. This is the lighter shade that I have. Let's see, I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows. And like, that's it. Maybe a little bit more right here. Yeah, that's it. First Essence Make Me Brow Gel in Brownie Browns. Now I'm going to blend out this concealer. I'm going to start with my under eyes first this time. A little bit on my eyelids just to even it out. I did blend out my blemish concealer. Really just tap in place so I keep that coverage. Where am I? Okay, then I'm going to take my foundation brush, which also has a concealer brush. Blend out any creasing. And I'm going to lightly set with this Charlotte Tilbury powder. You know I love this powder. Use it all the time. I'm going to use it to set around my mouth and my chin, because I get oily and on my nose and on my forehead. I'm going with the Fenty Cream Bronzer. Been really liking this. And a brush. I did not set my cheeks. Just like that, and I'm going to take my sponge and blend it out. Then I'm going to use this Black Radiance pressed powder as a bronzer. This is in the shade Bronze Glow. I'm using this as bronzer because it's more like a finishing powder. It's not necessarily a bronzer, it's like a face powder. Oh, I think I'm hitting pan. So it'll be easier to go over my creams instead of an actual bronzer where it might stick funny. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Just bronze forehead. I'm going to take the butt of my sponge and just pat things out to make sure everything is nice and blended. Lastly, going in with this Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. And Prosecco Please. I'm using my sponge where I didn't use foundation. I'm devastated. I'm so sad. I'm really about to go to the store right now to try and find it. I'm going to put on mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. I'm going to curl my lashes, put this on. And I'm just going to put on any gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Fussy Gloss. I'll just put this on now. Then put on. gloss, chapstick, whatever, and put on mascara, and I'll be maybe clean up the mess I freaking made. Okay, I finished, and that's all I could save. Look, and it's, when I look on the floor, I feel like I'm like, there must be a chunk missing. I feel like not that much broke off, but okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my quick 10 to 15 minute makeup routine if I'm not dropping stuff everywhere. Nothing too much on the skin. Like you can see, I'm not wearing a foundation, I'm wearing a skin tint, which is just like a moisturizer. That product, this Fab First Aid Beauty, has SPF 30, by the way, so I have extra coverage on top of the moisturizer SPF I use from Too Faced. So lots of sun protection, that's good for you. But yeah, it's just a skin tint, but my skin looks even out a bunch, especially with that concealer. Strategically placing that on the face. Get more glowy. I'm using the Wet n Wild Jungle Mist with Bretman Rock. Boom. Extra juicy, extra glowy, perfect for the summer. So yeah, only 12 products for my entire face. That's including the eyes, eyebrows. So yeah, super easy. If you're quick, you could do this in 10 minutes. I did in like 15. You know, if I wasn't talking and I was just doing my makeup, I could do it in 15. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button down below. Comment what your 10-minute, 15-minute makeup routine is like and what videos you want to see from me next. If you like me and you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, and link all my social media down below, and link my card down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Thursday and Sunday. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to catch you in the next video.